Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert the emote icon on your Google Docs mobile. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert the emote icon in Google Docs mobile, I just going to show in this video. So first of all, click this and just click on the edit option here. So now you can just use your Google keyboard. So I'm here using Google keyboard to insert the emote icons. So now you just need to click on the emoji symbol on the Google keyboard like this. Then you just need to click on this last option, which is a emote icon. So you can see a lot of different type of emotion with this different icons are here. You can just also choose a category like smiling, love, hugging. You can see animals, surprise, dancing. There's a lot of emojis, emote icons actually. So you can just use any one of this icon to use on your project. It's easy and simple to insert like this. And I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.